In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive chats in ChatGPT. So go ahead and open up the app. And as you see here, I'm just on the chat window. And to go ahead and archive chats, you want to go to the two lines at the top left-hand corner, and it's going to show you all of your recent conversations. So to go ahead and archive something, you want to click and hold on the topic. You're going to get some options here, and just go ahead and hit archive. And it will ask you to confirm. And you can just keep on going through and just keep on hitting archive, and very simple to do. Now to go and find those archive chats, you want to go to the top right corner where you see your initials here. It's just going to bring you to your settings page, and you want to scroll down until you see data controls. Once you're here, it's going to give you your chat history, and you can go ahead and see all of those archive chats. And that's it. From here, you can get rid of them, you can see them again, but all those chats that you wanted to save or archive are in one spot. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy